Hi, this is Swaminathan, Managing Director of Woodpecker Furniture. This is built for everyday living from the world of woodpecker. Well, in this particular episode, I would like to touch upon the importance of the role of architects and interior designers in purchase of furniture. Now, why is this very important? Going to an architect is like going to a doctor for your health. Now, architect knows exactly, if you can explain to the architect your needs and requirements, he will be able to guide you, suggest to you as to what is suitable for you based on your needs. Now, architects today combine being also Vastu experts. Vastu plays an important role in the kind of color you buy, the kind of furniture you buy, the way you place the furniture in the house. All those things matter. Architects helps you make an informed decision. So, planning becomes very important. When you're buying a furniture, with the help of an architect, he definitely helps you to plan your purchase well in advance. He coordinates the color of the wall, the color of the flooring, the backgrounds, the decor to be used in the house, the curtains, the blinds, the colors, and the lights they're using. Because furniture is the master of your house, but all the other things are going to add more value to the house. It makes the house look beautiful. That's the reason you need a specialized architect or an interior designer to come and suggest to you. Of course, Woodpecker also offers you the services of interior designing or suggesting to you what kind of furniture you should buy. We do that. But anytime expert advice helps you to move better. So one of the value-added services that we offer to you at Woodpecker is that help you make informed decisions. Now, the reason I ask you to come to a showroom and buy is when you come to a showroom and buy, you are able to look at an array of furnitures. So many designs, so many colors, the way it is placed, the background, the decor, plus you understand which is most suitable for you. You will be able to sit on it, touch it, feel it, and understand whether this furniture is suitable for you or not. So this is an added advantage when you come to a showroom and buy. Of course, if you have an architect who has designed your house, then come with the architect. Feel free. Ask questions because the architect helps you think in a direction that's the way he's designed the house. He helps you make a proper decision. We'll also help you, architect will help you, an interior design will help you. Most important, come with your family. So together it's a family decision that you're making because the furniture is going to be used by your entire family. My other suggestion to you is that discuss all the aspects of your needs and your requirements with your architect thoroughly. Involve your family, involve your architect so that there is no regret tomorrow because furniture buying it's a very time-consuming process. From the time you buy to the time it's delivered, it can take anything between a few days to a few weeks to a few months, depending on from where you're buying. Number one. Number two, it's an expensive affair. Number three, it is not a small thing which can be thrown away. If it's a wrong decision, it's going to sit in your house forever. So, because it's a big one, nobody's going to take it away from you. If it's a cloth, you can just fold it and keep it in the corner. Furniture can't do that. So think about all these aspects before buying a furniture. And that's the reason you need expert advice. Woodpecker will help you, your architect will help you. We all play a very important role in your decision making.